Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make DIY Kojic and turmeric soap. This soap has been making wave on the internet. So I want to show you how to make it. So what you need is melt and pour. Melt and pour clear transparent soap. That is what you need. So I'm using 500 grams of um, melt and pour soap. So I'm going to cut this soap in cube sizes. So the reason why I'm cutting them in cube sizes is for it to be able to be fully melted. You cannot just throw them in like this because we are going to melt them in a double boiler. So the best thing and best option is to melt it completely down and you are good to go. So you need a bowl that you will use to make this. So I am putting this inside this bowl and I'm going to use a double boiler for this. So I'm going to boil it. So first of all, I am using 2% of kojic acid. I'm pouring it into this bowl. The reason why is for the kojic acid not to form lumps so that it can melt properly. So now that it's melting and melted, I'm going to add this golden seal powder. This is not turmeric powder. So now, this golden seal powder is a very good option for you brightening your skin and removing every kind of blemishes, acne, and discoloration. It's a win-win. So I am going to let it melt down. So you want to add those ingredients, everything, when you are melting your soap. So I added 5 to 7 grams of turmeric essential oil. So that is the turmeric that would be in this soap. So now this is poppy seed. I am adding this poppy seed to give it that exfoliating effect when you are washing. If you want to scrub, if you want really to scrub with it, so you can use this. You can scrub the face soap on your face so that it gives you that exfoliating effect. So now after melting, that you have turned and everything, just put it in your soap mold. You can actually sell this soap, yes, but before you sell, make sure you know the guidelines of soap making. So that is it. But you can actually sell this soap if you have know the guidelines of making soaps and how to label your products. So this is a win-win. Whether you're selling, whether you are making it for your own self, it's a win-win. This will help remove discoloration, dark spots, blemishes, even those hyperpigmentation. Yes, it will help it. So now I'm going to use rubbing alcohol to just remove any bubbles that I can find in that soaps, and that's it. Is after 1 hour, look at how it looks. It's completely solidified, and this soap, you don't have to use it immediately. You have to let it sit for up to 2 weeks. If more, 4 weeks is also okay. And that is it for today, guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.